Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Säna Amira and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a jewelry unboxing. This is from a company that brother Instagram got me again. I do love jewelry, so I wanted to show y'all this piece that I got and I'm really excited about it. I love customized pieces. I love nameplate necklaces, nameplate earrings. Like if you follow me on my Instagram, you will see me rocking all of those pieces. So it only made sense for me to get a nameplate ring and I'm really excited. Let me look up how to pronounce their name because y'all know I struggle with that. Okay, so this is them. Colori. Tres Colori, based in New York. Guess y'all can use that discount code. But yeah, they do a lot of like personalizations and stuff like that. So I got a nameplate ring and I'm really excited because I don't have a nameplate ring. I have multiple nameplate necklaces, multiple nameplate earrings. All that's missing is a ring. So I'm really excited. It comes in packaging like this. Here's their little thank you card. Ooh, you get 50% off with this one. So go ahead and use that. This is like totally giving me New York. The nails, the multiple rings, the multiple necklaces. I love it. But yeah. Follow them on IG and TikTok. Here's another little card, product care card. And then they have like a cleaning cloth, which is super cute. And then they give you a little felt, which is nice. So like when you're traveling, you can protect your jewelry from everything. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. So this is a multiple finger ring. So excited. I have to wear it like that because it doesn't fit. So I got it in a 5'6" when I guess I should have gotten it in like a 6'7", or I forgot what the options were. But look how cute. It says Säna Amira. So cute. But I can definitely fit a 5. So maybe my fingers are like, because it's hot. And I'm hot right now. Because usually I can fit a 5. But yeah. It's so cute. I love it. Got this in a 5'6", so I probably should have gotten it in a 6'7" or 7'8". But I mean, it fits on these fingers, so it's all good. I'll just be able to wear a ring over here too. But it's so cute. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at Säna Amira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.